Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Tuesday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. It's still a pretty active forecast, especially for the next couple of days. We're going to see some more storms popping up this afternoon, and they could be strong to severe. It's a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather for most, a level 2 out of 5 into our southwestern counties there. We'll talk more about that here in a second. By tomorrow, most of the severe risk is going to be shifting out to the east, but still some widespread rain and storms through the day. Some heavy rainfall would be the main concern there. And then Thursday, actually the day will be dry and sunny, but Thursday night, chance for an isolated storm popping up, especially in our northern counties. Right now it's a level 1 out of 5 risk. That may leak into Friday morning as well. But as far as today goes, better threat for the severe storms in our southwestern counties, where you see that level 2 out of 5, the darker red there. That's where temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer, and there's going to be some more instability. And what we have to watch out for today will be the threat for some damaging wind gusts and large hail with any storms that pop up. But honestly, no matter where the storms pop up, there will be that risk. So even in that level 1 out of 5, you'll have a chance for that as well. That's why it's a Storm Track 7 yellow alert day for today. It's been a beautiful morning. We have sunshine out there, and it's going to be dry up until about the early afternoon. That's as the cloud cover starts to move in. And then I would say about 2 p.m., that's when these storms begin to pop up. Not as high of confidence as to the location of where those storms develop, but I think still a pretty good shot for scattered storms here into the afternoon. You'll see them remaining fairly strong with the darker reds and oranges. That's indicating some heavy rainfall. And again, that potential for stronger wind gusts and some hail. That continues through the evening commute. And then finally, by about 9-10 p.m., a lot of that's going to track out. Severe risk will be over after that. But we're not done with the rain at that point. I think more scattered activity will pop up late tonight, and then as the low tracks overhead for tomorrow, it's going to be more widespread rain and certainly some occasional heavy downpours coming with that. And of course, you can see the oranges and reds there as well. One thing I think we may have to watch out for will be some funnel clouds showing up, but pretty low chance that actually turns into a tornado through tomorrow. Really, we'll just see the rain through about the evening hours and then should be tracking out to the east after that. Slight risk for some flash flooding, as you can see the yellow color along and south of Highway 20. Overall, looking at an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain through the day tomorrow. That being said, pretty warm out there for today and a nice morning. We're going to have highs climbing into the mid and upper 80s, especially in the south. A little bit cooler in the north where we top out in the low 80s, and then lows tonight down to the mid and maybe some upper 60s as we'll have a northeast breeze. Cooler tomorrow with mostly cloudy skies and the rain and storms looking likely. Highs there about the mid to upper 70s. Quick warm up on Thursday. That's going to be completely sunny and highs are deep into the 80s, if not 90 degrees. We'll have the isolated storm chance there Thursday night and Friday, but temperatures keep going up with plenty of sunshine into the weekend. The heat index is really going to take off. We're into the triple digits on Saturday, as high as 105. And that's going to give us a yellow alert day both Saturday and Sunday, as the high temperatures are in the mid-90s and it's going to be pretty humid. Also very windy those days as well, with winds from the southwest. It still looks to be pretty hot on Monday with a chance for storms.